Dear students, we can see some of these previous questions from the sexual reproduction in the flowering plant, like a MCQ NEET model question paper. Fine. You can see that screen on the screen. You are able to see that attractant and rewards are required for. It is based on, the question is based on pollination, that is which type of pollinant, means which type of pollination takes place only in the presence of something attraction to be done by flower, as well as something will be given from the flower. Means entomophily, pollination takes place with the help of insect. Then second one is entomophily, pollination takes place in the presence of insect. Then hydrophily, pollination takes place in the presence of water. Then anemophily, pollination takes place in the presence of air. Cleistogamy, pollination in the closed bisexual flower. Means by which pollination, means which pollination takes place by which of only living organism, living biotic factor. Then here attraction and something nectar or something food is expected by entomophily, means pollination takes place by insect, need some rewards as well as attraction from the flower side. So answer A is the correct one. You can see that one more question. In the majority, which of these following statement is suitable in the most of the angiosperm? The reason options are given here. Egg has an polyform apparatus. Yes, egg has an polyform apparatus. There is a embryo sac and there is a egg cell and two synergies. All three together is called as a polyform apparatus. Opposite of polyform apparatus, there is an antipodal. At the middle of its one, there is a polar nucleus present. But some of the angiosperms don't have this much of structure. There are numerous antipodal, antipodals, especially 3 is there. Antipodals number is 3 generally. Then reduction division is occurs in the megaspore mother cell. Then reduction division is occurs in the megaspore mother cell of male and female. But megaspore mother cell, in the sense female gamete formation takes place by the process of reduction division. Reduction in the sense meiosis cell division. The option 4 is a small central cell is present in that embryo sac. In the majority of this embryo sac has a central cell, that is a polar nuclei is present. But out of these 4 options, which is the most relevant in most majority of angiosperms, the most relevant one is reduction cell division is a common process in that occurs in the megaspore mother cell formation. Yes. Now you can see this one. Yes. Which of this following statement is not correct? They are asking that incorrect statement. They are not asking about the correct statement. Then option statement 1 is given. This type of questions are answering is a little bit of difficult, because of we have to know the textbook word to word and statement to statement, then concept of the text, only then we are able to answer such type of answers. Questions we can answer that such type of question. Then option A, pollen germination and pollen tube growth are regulated by chemical components of pollen interacting with this pistil. This concept is pollen germination is regulated by chemical components. Yes, that statement is correct one, because of there is a pollen grain will be falls on stigma and pollen germination is going to start, and the pollen tube is germinating towards embryo sac with egg cell. There is something relation between that egg cell and pollen tube germination. So then statement 1 is correct one. Some reptiles have also been reported as pollinators in that some plant species. Yes, pollination takes place with the help of reptiles also. Then pollen grains of many species can germinate on the stigma of flower, but only one pollen tube of the same species grows into the style. Here the logic is here. There is take the example of hibiscus. stigma, on the stigma, only hibiscus pollen grain will be germinate. Other than hibiscus, pollen grain cannot germinate. Only hibiscus pollen grain, hibiscus species pollen grains can be germinated. But they are asking here, many species pollen grains can germinate. No, no, no. Only one species, that is a related species, pollen grains will be germinating on the stigma of its pistil. Then option C is an something is irrelevant. Insects that consume pollen or nectar without bringing about pollination are called pollen or nectar robbers. Generally, pollen grain is carried by insect. At the time of pollen grain carrying, that insects takes food from that particular flower. But sometimes some of these insects usually moving to that flower nectar, and that nectar is eaten by some insects, and such insects are called as an robbers, means thief. Yes, so that statement is 4 also correct one, A also correct one, B also correct one. So statement C is correct, not correct one, in the sense they are asking that not correct statement, so the given option is C is right one. Yes, now we can see that one more question. In angiosperms, microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis. Microsporogenesis, formation of pollen grain; megasporogenesis, formation of egg cell. In these two processes, which is the commonest process? A option is given as it involves in the meiosis. It occurs in ovule. It occurs in anther from the gametes without further division. So then microsporogenesis takes place within the anther, megasporogenesis takes place within that ovule, but they are asking that in both which is a common process. In the both, the common process is involved in the meiosis cell division. One mother cell, pollen mother cell or microsporic mother cell undergoes to meiosis to produce 4 haploid pollen grain, as well as in that megaspore mother cell also undergoes to meiosis cell division to produce 4 daughters. Undergoes to these 4, 3 will be degenerate, 1 is going to formation of embryo sac. So option here 1 is correct one. Flowers are unisexual. Yes, flowers are unisexual, bisexual. 2 types of flowers are there. Unisexual means having that only one type of gamete. Bisexual in the sense having the 2 types of gametes. So here the option is an cucumber is a unisexual. Remaining 3 are examples for bisexual. Now you can see that one more question. Male gametophyte in angiosperm produces. Very simple. Male gametophyte can produces male gametes in the angiosperms or even in that, yes, single sperm and 2 male gametophyte can be produces. That is an angiosperms produces here. Single sperm are 2 vegetative cells, 3 sperm cells, 2 sperms and 1 vegetative cell, and single sperm and 1 vegetative cell. Male gametophyte in the angiosperms produces 2 sperms and 1 vegetative. How does it you see? Male gametophyte is nothing but pollen grain. That pollen grain has an 1 vegetative cell, 1 generative. Vegetative cell 1 is present, as well as generative cell also 1 is present. Generative cell is nothing but nucleus undergoes to division. By that, at end of this, at the time of pollen germination or male gametophyte germination, there is a 1 generative cell is present, as well as 1 vegetative cell is present, 2 single sperm cells. In the sense, male nucleus are present. Here we are calling as sperm cell because of male sperms, male gametes. Very simple concept. So the answer is D. Now you remember that at the time of pollen germination, which of these following are the important floral? So here then floral forms are here. 4th is the right one. Flower, their color and their structure is especially important for attraction of the insects. The insects are attracted by supplying nectar as well as pollen grains. So option 4 is the right answer. And we can see that one more question. Yes. There is an yes. Pollen tablets are available in the market for what purpose pollen tablets are available? In vitro fertilization? No, no, no. Pollen tablets are not useful for in vitro fertilization. Breeding program? No. As well as supplementary food? Yes. Supplementing food? Ex situ conservation? No. Ex situ conservation takes place by preservation of something material for future use. So then here, out of the 4 options, the option 3 is the right one. Supplementing the food. What is supplementing food? Especially for rocket travelers, astronauts, as well as space travelers need some amount of food. For them, the food is prepared in the form of pollen tablets. So that is a supplementary food is given for people. So option 3 is to understand and try to notice the textbook. One question is given, who is the father of this one? No, the such type of questions are not that. The question is asking, find the correct one, find out the wrong one, then odd one, something they are asking that relevant. The statements are given, that statements means every statement is important from the textbook. So from that, as this one, see which of this following statement is correct one. Endothecium produces of microspores. Tapetum nourishes the developing pollen. Hard outer layer of the pollen is called as intine. Sporogenous tissue is an haploid. They are asking that correct statement. So the correct statement is tapetum nourished then developing the pollen grain. We discussed yesterday. Tapetum is an innermost layer. There is an endothelium as well as middle layer, as well as tapetum is present. Tapetum is present in the pollen grain. Pollen grain, around the pollen grain, tapetum is present. It is providing the nutrients, means food for the pollen development. Then product of the sexual reproduction generally generates. Then product of sexual reproduction can be generates for the purpose of new genetical recombinations. Asexual reproduction always produces same varieties from the parents to daughter to then become. So genetic material does not changes anything in the by the process of asexual reproduction. But in the sexual mode of reproduction, 2 different animals and their genetical material undergoes to recombination. Every offspring which is produced by end of the sexual reproduction is differ from the parents. You can see that in the world 700 million people have been living. At the same time, no 2 people have the same structure, same color and same ideology, even the same physique. Every person have their own unique, every person is their own style. That's why the answer is here. Sexual reproduction is allows and production of generally generates new genetical combination leading to the variation. That's why in a classroom there is 100 student, 50 student, every student have their own color, own height and own intellectual. So option A is the right one. And you can see that which of this following statement is correct one. Which of the following statement is correct one? Sporopollenin can be degraded by enzymes. Sporopollenin is made up of inorganic material. Sporopollenin can be withstands high temperature as well as strong acids. Alkaline. Sporopollenin can be withstands high temperature but not strong in acids. So then this is a question was asked in the Karnataka test in 2013 previously. So that best option is here. Sporopollenin is withstands high temperature as well as strong alkaline. We said that sporopollenin degradation is not at all possible. It is generally present around that pollen grain, outer layer of the pollen grain, that is called as an exon of the pollen grain. It is made up of sporopollenin. It is a very hardest substance. This degradation is not at all possible, even the high temperature, even that strong acidic alkaline conditions. Yes. What is the function of germ pore? That we discussed in the last time. There is a pollen grains are present. There is a pollen grain. There is an intine and there is a exine. There is a pollen nucleus present. The gap in between two outermost exine layers called as an pollen pore. What is the use of this pollen pore? That pollen pore is useful for, here the given options: emergency of radicle, absorption of water for seed germination, initiation of the pollen tube, releasing of male gametes. So this question was asked in the past. Initiation of the pollen tube, because of, we discussed one time, There is a pollen tube, inner layer is intine, outer layer is exine. When they want to germinate, the pollen inner layer has to come outside. For that pollen germination, they need to come out. So sporopollen outer layer is very hard one layer, means in between the two there is a small gaps are present. These gaps are called as an germ pores. Through the germ pores, pollen tube will be comes outside. So it is useful for initiation of pollen tube germination. Yes. So which of these following is resistant to the enzyme action? Means which of these one does not goes for any degradation, even the presence of enzymes are present. Again the question is same here, okay na, which is the hardest material, like the based on this one. See this one, pollen exine, which is made up of sporopollenin, and leaf cuticle, wood fiber, as well as cork, which is a very hardest material, that is always sporopollenin is exine, that is which is made up of sporopollenin. Pollen exine, outermost layer of the pollen grain is made up of sporopollenin. It is a highly resistant for enzymes action. So the answer is A is correct one. The male gametes, yes, the male gametes in angiosperms are formed by the cell divisions. Male gametes in angiosperms are formed by the division of what type of division? Is it a meiosis cell division or is it a mitotic cell division? Yes, here the given as generative cell, vegetative cell, microspore mother cell, as well as microspore. Male gametes in angiosperm are formed by the division of which cells are going to divides to produce male gamete. That we discussed now. Pollen grain consists of, in the pollen grain, two cells are present. That is a vegetative, one is a generative. Which cell need to produce that male gametes? Generative cells. Generative cell undergoes to division to produce two male nuclei. In the sense they are going to act as an male gametes. Male gamete 1, male gamete 2. Male gamete 1 can fuse with egg cell by the process of first fertilization. Then male gamete 2 can fuse with these secondary nuclei to form that primary endospermic nucleus to form that endosperm. So these are the few questions we try to understand. So this key paper is giving now. Okay, na? These questions were asked in the previous NEET pattern. So every line is important, every word is important to understand the question paper in the NEET competitive exams. Okay, then.